Previously on Slime Ranger.
Yep. Whoa, look at that! Oh, it's so shiny! Oh. Of course it requires a slime key. So let's get some of these. I don't think this will be enough, but it is a good start. Can you eat here? Oh no. There must be a way. Like how? Wait, now the door's gone. What is even happening? Okay. Whatever, I'm here now. Eat, please. And please tell me that it is enough for you. Oh my god, it's not. You are shaking though, but it's still not enough. There's more chickens here. So what I did was actually not like the parkour thing. There's not actually anything special. You could just go around it. But now I want to go the other way. Okay, I fell down here. Now what? I don't know how to get up now. No! God damn it! Advanced pump. Oh my god. Okay, so we unlocked some new things. So last 3 cycles. I think we should just buy those. And I guess we can also buy something else. The pink teleporter will be nice. Probably. I don't really know. Or I don't know what to buy. Maybe this one. That would also maybe be nice. I don't know. Med station maybe in the some place. What's going on? Victor, let's see. Okay, we need some slimes. Okay. I'll see what I can do for you, Victor. 2 of these, I don't know. You can place them in here, and then we can take all of these chickens out and give it to the big boom slime. And this is probably overkill. Like, it was already vibrating, so I don't think it needs... I don't think it needs anything more than this per se. Have I looked this? No. Wait, what does it? Why does it look like it has beard? I also have this place down here that I've actually never seen. So let's buy this and look here. Oh, you got a cool. You got a natural place for water slimes. Oh yeah, I forgot to do you, but I don't care. Oh, you're so cute. Actually, I do care. You guys are cute. You have hurt nobody. Heart module 2. Let's sure, why not? I got 200 lives now, or health. I don't know. I think we can also place the big ones. This one. So is that one of the big ones? I don't think so. I think I misclicked. Oh yeah, just okay. Let's see. We can try this again. Yeah, it was one of the big ones. What? It didn't look bigger. Okay, I am here. Yeah, you didn't want anything. Whoa, that was a lot of these. Like, holy! Okay, okay, that wasn't actually like a lot. It was just a bunch of... Okay. So we got one of these. Let's see if there's anything exciting in these. No. And what about you? No. So... I want to... Should I do this now? Because then I can go around here. But I got one of the keys! Let's go. Am I over? Is this past the gate? I think it is. I think this is past the gate. Okay, this is exciting. I got a key. Okay, where do you lead? Where? What is this place? Is this so I guess it's quantum slimes only, maybe? I think so, yeah. Its eyes glitches out. So 5 quantum slimes. And yeah. I just remembered I needed 2 quantum slimes for the victor die. So that's annoying. I have to go back and get some quantum slimes. Yeah, he only needed 2. Okay. So can I make a drone now? Oh, I can make a drone. I can actually make 2 drones. How does the drones work? Install? Okay. Oh! Oh, it's sleeping! It has a flower! Oh, it's so cute! Target, source, destination, target? Fruit? Source? Gardens? Destination? Oh. Auto feeder. Active? Oh, I got bigger! Oh yeah, got more. Okay, it's pricey. That's so cute though. Okay. Like this is its battery, I guess. So oh, we got... Oh, there is something here. Oh, you can... Oh... so if I do this and then go down and say... Painted... Okay. Pickled... What? Silver... This is interesting. If I say the mint mango, source, gardens 2, corals, activate. And you do the... guess the odd onions from gardeners to silos, but I can't decide which silo. Oh, corals, not auto feeders. And you also not corals, auto feeders. So I don't know what to do. Like, do you need some battery? I guess this is your tank is full. When are they gonna wake up and do stuff? Okay, 4 of you. I got 1. 1, 2. Buckle my shoes. 3, 4. That wasn't the 4th one. I guess this is just another way to the cave here. Oh no, wait, what? Whoa! What do you like? I completely forgot. Okay, so I got some heartbeats. Okay, interesting. I found something. I guess one of the. I guess I get a. I guess I will get a big slime key out of the red slime, I think. What do you want? So what about if you just take rock from plot collectors to refinery link, to silos. Okay, now I got the 5 quantum plots, and we will, I guess I just have to throw them in like I did with all the others. Okay, of course I missed.